I'm Sunina Young. I wanted to share with you a quick and simple meditation that will help you build your confidence so that you can move in the direction of your dreams with ease and with full confidence. Find a nice and comfortable position, palms facing upwards and your eyes closed. Breathe in through your nose. Puff up your chest, open up your shoulders, and exhale. Breathe out through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Open chest. Exhale. Breathe out the mouth. One more. Inhale through the nose. Heart opens, chest opens, shoulders draw down. Exhale. Ease the jaw, breathe out. Your palms are facing up for receptive energy. Inhale and exhale. The first affirmation that I will share with you as you breathe in is I am enough. Exhale, breathe out. Inhale, I am enough. Exhale. Inhale, I am enough. Exhale. A second affirmation. Inhale. I believe in me. Exhale. Inhale. I believe in me. Exhale. One more. Inhale. I believe in me. Exhale. Last affirmation to build confidence. Inhale. No one is above me. No one is below me. Exhale. Inhale. No one is above me. No one is below me. Exhale. Inhale. No one is above me. No one is below me. Exhale. Inhale. No one is above me. No one is below me. Exhale. Let your heart be filled with a golden light. Visualize this golden light spreading throughout the body, all throughout your head, your face, your shoulders, your chest, your stomach, your legs, your feet, your hands. Last breath in. Exhale. Golden light out through your mouth. Gently open your eyes as you place your hands at your heart center. Love and light.